You've heard us mention fighting the air ride problem in our coach throughout the whole trip in Alaska. We found a shop in Calgary, Alberta, that was able to come up with a solution to help bypass some of the air ride system and allow us to be able to drive without dealing with that problem any longer. So during our stop in Calgary, we went out and had a little fun while we were waiting to get our RV repaired. So this video is just a stop in Calgary and a few things we did there.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
It is.
Did you try
She's trying a scooter for the first time here in Calgary. It's something she's been wanting to try for a while. So here she is. It's a bird scooter.
That goes pretty good.
Got her hooked up on there. We figured this is a safe place where she don't get ran over by a car.
Or don't get broke.
So here we are.
I didn't get broke.
You didn't get broke.
Good.
All right, you did good. So
I'm good to go whenever we need to use them.
okay. Yeah, so here's Karen. We're all here trying this bird scooter out for the first time. Here we go, ripping it. She's ripping it. Ripping it down through there. Come back!
Looking back like, where are you guys at?
She went so far I had to cut the camera off. Now she's coming back. Here she is. She's cruising back up. We thought she got lost. There she is. Alright, Glenn's getting ready to take it for a rip. He's taking her for a rip. He's cruising down through there too. We're all trying to check it out for the first time. We figured, like we said before, this is a safe place instead of doing it crossing the street and everything before you get a hang of it.
This is neat trying something like this with flat surface, yeah. Because you see someone there on the slope, as soon as you get on it, maybe going down the hill.
He made it back.
No hands.
Now Kim's ripping it down through there. Here she is making her way back.
These things can go fast. There goes David again. Second ride's better.
They probably ride them
Because
all
they
the
ride
time.
them all the time.
Damn.
And I could see where that would be. Here it comes back. Oh, now he's getting fancy.
See, when you park them, it tells you that's one more card off the road. So there it goes. We parked it back. We're all alive. We still got our legs. Video evidence. Video evidence. No one's broke.
No one got broke.
That's all video evidence. We're still here. Arms, legs. Nobody's broke.
Nobody got broke.
We survived. We was just outside trying to scooters, and then we came in to use the restroom, and we looked at this place on the internet earlier.
Found it on Pinterest.
She found it on Pinterest. It's the Devonian Gardens. It's on the 4th floor of the core shopping mall, and they have over 500 trees up here.
It's really beautiful.
This place is like
Tropical plants.
a botanical botanical garden.
Yes.
Back there in the back, there's somebody playing a grand piano, and then we'll just.
They got chairs and
They got-
tables to sit and relax.
This is the same floor that the food court's on in the mall. So there's Karen and Glenn hanging out, and then behind us they have these fountains that go all the way back down through there, and goes all the way down there. So Karen said when she walked up here, this reminds her of like the Central Park when you go on a cruise. But pretty cool. Thought we'd just show you that real quick. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mall area. There it is. It's the Devonian Gardens here in Calgary.
Yeah, it's not
They,
right.
they do have some beautiful flowers up here also. Look at that. On the camera, on the camera.
It's beautiful.
Pretty cool. You can see as you look outside of the mall, some of the downtown skyline of Calgary. This is the definitely the big city.
Doing the flower mist.
Oh, I don't know if you can see it. They got the little mister going here that kind of waters the flowers inside. You can see it. And then there's more flowers down on the lower levels. Pretty cool. It's mist in the flowers. Yeah, it's pretty cool. They also have a koi pond in here, and you see the different fish. There's one of those. It almost looks like one of those catfish you see in Florida. Pretty cool. And there's the piano back there. Guy playing the piano. What do you think, Mom?
Oh, this is very nice. I could sit up here all day.
I don't know if you could hear her. She said she could sit up here all day.
And just relax and
Also inside here, they have what they call the living wall. So it tells you, yes, the plants on the wall are real. And you can see it's like a peat moss wall. Pretty cool. So it's all real plants. We had a great visit in Calgary, and hopefully one day we go back. We'd like to thank David and his crew at Rife Valley Truck in Calgary, Alberta, for coming up with a great solution for our RV repair. If you ever get a chance to get to Calgary, it'd be a great place to check out. We also like to thank all you that watch and subscribe to our videos, and all of you that watch but haven't subscribed, please push that subscribe button so you can be notified when we post our next video. We appreciate all of the comments, and we ask you, if you haven't commented, please leave us a comment. We enjoy hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day from Noel's Blessed Adventures.